What's happening, Heidi?
We're saying goodbye to our house. You should look at our house.
Heidi wants me to look at it, but you're never going to see it. It's a secret. Look at it. We can see it. This is our house. Look at that. Look at that. Would you just look at that? And here, walk, walk, walk. There's a mirror on the wall. And it's a shower. Too late to go in there. Restroom. There's the party restroom.
Because the lights change colors and it's really annoying.
I hate that.
I hate it.
Heidi hated it, but chef. There's a bedroom.
I would turn on my flashlight.
Would you?
Yeah.
I never.
Because it bothered me.
And here's our.
The bed is made.
Yeah.
There's a closet and a huge window.
And now we're leaving it. Thank you, Jesus. What?
What?
No, we're going to London. Always look ahead. Never look back.
I'm not looking back. I'm looking backwards. I like that.
Okay, now we're closing the door. And when the door is closed,
And the door
Yes.
is seafoam green.
there's no turning back.
But you have to see how many stairs there are.
And here's our stairs. They're listening to French radio.
We must have been so loud.
Let's go before they come out and nag us. London, here we come. Right now.
Where are we, Andreas, other than in a fenced land?
Again, not smile.
He can't help it. He's so happy. We're in London.
See, she started talking. For the first time in history, you got a hair
Look at
somewhere.
them. They're so cool.
I'm cooler.
They're from London.
That's what she's saying.
We're
So Heidi asked me earlier today.
Sainsbury's.
So the people who came to North America and stuff, did they come from London? I'm like,
important.
maybe they came from England. I don't know if they came from London or not. But did they come from London? I'm like, I don't know if they came from London or not.
I don't know if
I don't
it's
get the
actually
point.
a grocery
No,
store.
but did they come from London? Whatever. I thought it was
Cute?
important. I think we got the back end.
That's okay. We'll get to the front.
Have to go walk around it then.
Either way, we have to walk around it.